Hi, let's talk today about React Lifecycle, Service Worker and Design Patterns. I'm Untitled, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you will learn front-end in JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. C Dodds says that React is all you need to manage your application state. In the article, Application State Management with React, you can learn how to do that using hooks and context. But if you want to use Redux, keep using Redux, says the author. One more article regarding this topic is the article The Cycle of a React Lifecycle by Kingsley Silas. This is a walk through a React component's lifecycle as it progresses through various stages, such as mounting, updating, and unmounting. Burke Holland, in his turn, posted the article titled "You should never ever run directly against Node.js in production." The author described two possible issues that you might have, explained the root of the trouble, and proposed the solution. You might know that Node.js team is working on implementing a new experimental ES module support. In this post, you can read about the pitfalls and options that the team has. The final ES module support implementation is expected by the end of 2019. In the tutorial How to Build a CLI app with Node, you can learn why you need Node.js to create CLI, how to set up an environment, parse arguments, and more. In this episode, The State of the Web, Rick Wiscomi and Jun'19 discuss the process of CSS standardization and the evolution of how developers style the web. Intro to Font Metrics is a must-read if you want to master advanced CSS and design unit fonts. This guide explains what tools you can use to deal better with typography on the web. Common CSS Flexbox layout patterns with example code by Tobias Allen is a pretty good set of 10 examples Flexbox layouts with CSS that you can copy and paste, an indispensable tool for daily usage. Let me share with you one more article by Scott O'Hara, namely Inclusively Hidden. It's a detailed look at the various ways in which you can hide content, with a particular focus on keeping things accessible. Take a look. In the tutorial Animation Performance 101, Mirroring with DevTools, you can learn how the browser renders under the hood, why that matters, and how to analyze animation performance in the browser with Chrome DevTools. Svelte is one of the most exciting UI frameworks. Unlike other popular frameworks and libraries, Svelte runs at build time, compiling your app into more efficient runtime JavaScript. In this release notes, you can read how to write less code using Svelte 3. A service worker is a script that runs in the background of your browser and handles particular type of non-interactive mechanism, such as caching. In the overview Write Your First Service Worker in 5 minutes, you can get acquainted how to start coding your first service worker. Blazingly Fast Parsing is a deep-down technical post from the V8 team on how the JavaScript engine's preparsing functionality works to prevent unnecessary parsing taking place before it needs to. The very next point in my list is a design patterns game, implemented in JavaScript. This is a quick online game to help test your familiarity with the gang of 4 design patterns: Check yourself. The last but not least point for today is an article 4 Key Trends in Design for Privacy and Data Protection by Emily Stevens. Nowadays, people believe that businesses are making a lot of money from their private data, so they also describe it what efforts are made to make the process of collection and sorting users' data cleaner and transparent. You can do the same for your web page. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.